Friends, now we solve the remaining question of exercise 6.3. Last we complete up to question number 7. Now question number 8. Find a point on curve y is equal to x minus 2 square at which the tangent is parallel to chord joining point 2 0 and 4 4. Chord joining given 2 points 2 0 and 4 4. Find a point on a curve. To get point on a curve, first we get slope of tangent at xy and compare given slope with the slope of this chord joining given 2 point, because tangent and these chords both are parallel, so slope are equal. Clear? Here slope of tangent is dy dx is equal to derivative of this is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Okay, and slope of chord is, we know that the difference of a y coordinate upon difference of a x coordinate is equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. Here given that a tangent is parallel to chord given this, therefore 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore dividing by 2 to both sides we get x minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 2, take this side, so 3. Clear? Using x is equal to 3 in this equation we get y. Therefore y is equal to, here x is equal to 3 minus 2 square is equal to 1 square is 1. Therefore required point is 3 1. Clear? Now question number 9. Find the point on curve y is equal to x raised to 3 minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is given y is equal to x minus 11. Here slope of tangent is equal to slope of this tangent line. So first we get a slope of tangent. Slope of a tangent dy dx is equal to 3x minus 11. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of phi is 0. And the slope of this line, slope of tangent line y is equal to x minus 11 is dy dx is equal to 1. Compare both. Here y is equal to x minus 11 is tangent of y is equal to x raised to 3 minus 11x plus 5. Therefore slope of a tangent line and the slope of this tangent both equal, so 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. So 11 take this side, become 12, divide by 3, so we get x square is equal to 4. Clear? Therefore x is equal to plus or minus 2. Okay, so x is equal to plus 2 implies y is equal to here 2 minus 11 is equal to 9, and x is equal to minus 2 implies y is equal to minus 2 minus 11 is equal to minus 13. Clear? Therefore required points are 2, 9 and minus 2 minus 13. Okay, now next question, question number 10. Find the equation of all line having the slope minus 1, slope is equal to minus 1, that are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Here condition x not equal to 1 given. Here slope of tangent is minus 1 and the equation of curve is y is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 given, and we know that how to get the slope of tangent at xy to given curve. Here y is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Therefore we get first dy dx is equal to, derivative of this is equal to, you know that how to get this, x minus 1 raised to minus 1. So derivative of this is equal to minus x minus 1 raised to minus 1 minus 1, that is x minus 1 raised to 2. So is equal to minus 1 upon x minus 1 raised to 2. Clear? And the slope of this is equal to minus 1 given. Here slope of tangent is equal to minus 1 given. Therefore minus 1 upon x minus 1 square is equal to minus 1. So from both sides negative sign cancel, take a reciprocal on both sides, we get x minus 1 square is equal to 1. Therefore x minus 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. So x minus 1 is equal to, if we take 1, this implies x is equal to 2, and x minus 1 is equal to minus 1, this implies x is equal to, here minus 1 from both sides cancel, so 0. Okay, and here we want to get equation of all line with a slope minus 1. So first using x coordinate 0 and 2, we get a y coordinate on this line. So x is equal to 2, this implies y is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. So this implies y is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1. So this implies y is equal to 1 upon 1, that is 1. Okay, so 1 point is 2, 1, and x is equal to here 0, this implies y is equal to 1 upon, put here 0, so 0 minus 1, so this implies y is equal to minus 1. Therefore here 2, 1, and second point 0 minus 1 are tangent point. Okay, now we get equation of a tangent. Equation of tangent at 2, 1 with a slope. Slope is given minus 1 is y minus y1 is equal to m, that is a slope of tangent, minus 1 into x minus x1. x1 is equal to 2. Clear? Now simplify this. Here y minus x take this side, so become x plus y. Here minus minus plus 2. 2 take this side, so becomes minus 2. So this become minus 3 equal to 0. So this becomes one equation of a tangent. Clear? Look this up. Okay. Similarly, using second point and equation of tangent at second point 0 minus 1 is y minus plus 1 is equal to m is a minus 1 into x minus 0. Therefore, y plus 1 is equal to minus x. So, x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the second equation of tangent at 0 minus 1. Okay. Now, question number 11. Same question given. Find the equation of all line having a slope. Slope is given to which are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 upon x minus 3. X not equal to 3 given. First we get a slope of tangent dy dx, compare with a slope for 2, get value of x. Using value of x in this equation we get a point, and using point and the slope we get equation of a tangent. Similarly, equation number 10, find the equation of all line having slope. Here slope is given 2, which are tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3. Same method as we apply in a previous question. Now question number 13, find the point on the curve x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1, at which the tangent are number 1 parallel to x axis, number 2 parallel to y axis. Here tangent is parallel to x axis, then slope of tangent becomes 0. Remember this. So first we get dy dx, compare with 0, get the value of x, and using the value of x we get a y. Now you first find the dy dx for x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So we get 2x upon 9 plus 2y upon 16 into derivative of y with respect to x dy dx is equal to 0. Therefore, dy dx is equal to 2x upon 9, take this side. So minus 2x upon 9. Now 16 take this side. So write in a numerator. 2y take this side. So into denominator. Clear? Now simplify this. So dy dx is equal to, here 2 from both cancel. Therefore dy dx is equal to minus 16x upon 9 by. Clear? Now here given number 1, tangent parallel to x axis. Therefore slope minus 16x upon 9y is equal to, yeah, parallel to x-axis, then the slope become 0. We know that. Therefore, 9y take this side, so 0 into this become 0. 16 take this side, so x is equal to, we get a 0. Clear? Now x is equal to 0, put in this. Therefore, 0 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1 by x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. We get this. Therefore, y is equal to plus or minus of 4. Okay. Therefore, tangent at 0 plus or minus 4 are parallel to x axis. Clear? Similarly, for second, tangent is parallel to y axis given. Tangent is a parallel to y axis. Therefore, slope minus 16x upon 9y is equal to 1 upon 0, infinite, or compare 9y equal to 0. Clear? So 9y equal to 0. So 9y is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Put in our equation, x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. Therefore, x square upon 9 plus 0 is equal to become 1 by x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. Therefore, 9 take this side, apply square root on both sides, so we get x is equal to plus or minus 3. Therefore, tangent at plus or minus 3, 0 is parallel to y axis. Clear? So we get 2 points on curve where tangent is parallel to x axis, and 2 points on a curve where tangent is parallel to y axis. Okay. Now question number 14. In question 14 given, find the equation of tangent and normal to the given curve at indicated point. First equation given, y is equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 3 plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5, and indicator point given 0, 5. First we get dy dx. Slope of tangent at given point 0, 5 is dy dx at 0, 5. Find the slope of tangent, and using a slope and point get equation of a tangent. And slope of normal is reciprocally additive inverse of dy dx. So using slope and point, we get equation of a normal. You know that how to get a slope of tangent and the slope of normal, and using a slope and the point, you get equation of a tangent and a normal. Okay. So question number 14, solve yourself. Now question number 15, find the equation of tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, and perpendicular to 5y minus 15x plus equal to 13. Equation number 15. Equation of curve given, y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, and we want to get equation of tangent which is parallel to 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. This is symbol for parallel, remember this here. And number 2, perpendicular, this is symbol for perpendicular. Perpendicular to 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. Here, first we get divide x. Compare given with a slope of 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, because tangent is parallel to this line. So slope of tangent and the slope of this line both equal. Clear? You know that how to get this. Comparing this, we get value of x. Using value of x in this equation, we get y. And using point and the slope, we get equation of a tangent. And in a second, slope is a reciprocally additive inverse of a given line, because tangent is perpendicular to given line. 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. So first we get a slope of this line. You know that how to get first derivative. Using first derivative also we get a slope, or minus a upon a b. So minus minus plus 15 upon 5 is equal to plus 3. And tangent is perpendicular to this. So slope of tangent become reciprocally additive inverse of 3 is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Compare divide x with minus 1 upon 3, we get value of x. And using x in this equation, we get value of y. Using point and slope, we get equation of a tangent. Clear? So remember this important question and solve yourself. You know how to get points, slope, and using point and the slope, how to get a equation of tangent and equation of a normal. Here you only find the equation of a tangent. Now remaining question we solve in a next lecture. Okay, bye.